Hello, SS1 insurance students, and welcome to class. In today's lesson, we are going to be treating policy document. What is a policy document? A policy document is defined as a document that is prepared by the insurer and that provides the terms and conditions under which an insurance policy would take place between the insurer and the insured. It is prepared by the insurer that provides terms and conditions under which insurance policy will take place. Now, there are two types of policy documents. We have the first one, which is a scheduled policy document, and number two is a narrative policy document. Now, what are the components of a typical policy document? One, heading. The heading shows the company, the insurance company, and it shows the principle of the company, that is the basic purpose of the company and its principal location. Two, preamble. The preamble is an introduction into the insurance policy. The preamble shows the parties to the insurance policy and the premium that is covered by the insurance policy. It also shows the circumstances under which the insurance policy is going to be operated. Then third one, we have the operative clause. The operative clause gives a complete summary of the object against which the policy is insured. That is, it gives a complete summary of the insurance policy, and it also gives conditions under which the insurer is going to indemnify the insured if the loss eventually occurs. 4. Exceptions. To every rule, there must be an exception. Exception in an insurance policy states the conditions under which the insurer is not going to indemnify the insured in the event of a loss. Number 5 is condition. The condition of the insurance policy is to be stated. The condition specifies the rules and regulations that governs the insurance policy. These conditions can either be written or unwritten. That is, it can either be implied or expressed. An expressed condition is a condition that is stated in the insurance policy, but an implied condition is not stated in the insurance policy but is expected by law to govern the insurance policy. Then number 6 is the schedule. The schedule is the place in which the information or the details of the insurance policy is stated. We state the details of the insurance policy in the schedule. Then the last one is signature and attestation. The insured will append his signature on the policy. There's a space for where he will append his signature, and also the insurer, represented by a top official of the organization, will also append his signature to affirm the legality of the contract. Construction of policy documents. In constructing policy documents, the following rules or guiding principles must be followed. 1. The general principle. In the general principle, the intentions of the insured and the insurer must be clearly disclosed. In constructing a policy document, there is the need for all parties to disclose clearly their intentions to avoid conflict. 2. Meaning of words. The words that are provided in the insurance policy must be simple and understandable. It must be explicit enough for all parties to understand. Of the same kind. Words of the same kind are treated particularly as a relative to the terms involved in the contract, because you cannot cover all of the terms involved in the contract. So words that are related to the contract are also treated as being binding on the contract. 4. all intentions, words, and whatever must be printed and handwritten. In the case of a dispute between printed material and handwritten materials like signature uh, and attestation must supersede printed words. Then, number 5, in event of a dispute between implied and express contracts will overrule implied contracts. And last one, in the case of an ambiguity or difficulty in words used in an insurance contract, the insurer rather is going to use simple words to explain these terms to the understanding of all parties involved in the contract. So we've come to the end of the lesson. You can ask your questions in the question and answer section and have a wonderful day. Thank you.